Hello everyone, today I have tplink TL-WN722N. I bought it because I need this USB Wi-Fi adapter for creating access point with my Raspberry Pi. Especially this Wi-Fi adapter have external antenna. The model I have is version 2 or maybe 3.2. But I think it's version 2. The difference is this Wi-Fi adapter have realtek chip inside instead an Atheros chipset. Between realtek and Atheros have some differentiation. Like in realtek, they not put shield on the top the chip and they don't have internal antenna that Atheros model have. For the shield, maybe the realtek chip have built-in inside the package. Another differentiation is the Atheros require external flash memory, maybe EEPROM. I have good experience with this Wi-Fi adapter. The connection is good, coverage is good too. And the most important is they plug and play even in product package give the driver CD. And it's compatible with Raspberry Pi and host APD. Even minor issue like LED activity indicator not flashing. The interesting part is, even I detach the antenna, I don't have any differentiation about the connection and coverage. Even this model doesn't have internal antenna like the Atheros model have. I have been tested if the antenna was gimmick, but it's not. It's a real antenna. I test in PCI Express computer Wi-Fi adapter. Before I connect this antenna, the computer doesn't have a signal. And after I attach this antenna, the computer have a signal. Okay, let's see closer. Inside we have VPS button here, LED indicator, synchronous buck converter, and the last thing is realtek RTL8188 AUS. And the PCB quality, component and soldering is good. At behind we have just ground plane. Now I'm curious about the synchronized buck converter. Let's test it. Okay, the input capacitor is 3 microfarad. The output capacitor is about 16 microfarad. Let's test the output voltage. The output voltage is 3.25 volt. Let's test the frequency and duty cycle. The frequency is 420 kHz. Let's see the duty cycle. The duty cycle is 75%. Let's the realtek chip have an inductor. Let's look into it. The voltage is 1.24 volt. The frequency is 4 MHz. Yes, the frequency is 4 MHz. 6 MHz. Okay, the frequency is 6 MHz. And the duty cycle is 50% maybe? Yes, 50%.